Deciphering data secrets. Becoming a skilled data scientist. The journey to becoming a data scientist begins in high school, where students should focus on mathematics and computer science. Courses in calculus, statistics, and programming are essential, laying the groundwork for future studies. Participation in math clubs, coding boot camps, or competitive programming contests can foster skills in problem solving and algorithmic thinking. Exploring topics such as data visualization and AI through online platforms or extracurricular activities can also spark an interest. Developing proficiency in tools like Python and R by the end of high school will provide a head start in this rapidly evolving field. Pursuing an undergraduate degree is the next step, typically in fields like computer science, statistics, or mathematics. During this time, students should aim to gain proficiency in data analysis tools and software. Engaging in coursework that includes machine learning, data mining, and big data analytics is crucial. Building a strong portfolio by participating in projects or internships related to data science can provide practical experience. Students are encouraged to contribute to open source projects or generate their data sets to analyze, showcasing their ability to handle real world data challenges. After obtaining a bachelor's degree, gaining work experience or pursuing a master's degree can further enhance one's skills. Specialized programs in data science or machine learning provide in-depth knowledge and advanced techniques. Many opt for roles as data analysts or junior data scientists to gain practical experience. Continuing education through online courses and certifications in data science, AI, or cloud computing is beneficial. Networking with industry professionals and attending conferences or workshops can offer insights into emerging trends and technologies. Career progression in data science requires continuous learning and adaptation. Keeping up with the latest advancements in technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning is crucial. Experienced data scientists often move into roles such as data science managers or lead data scientists, guiding projects and mentoring junior team members. Publishing research, contributing to academic journals, or presenting findings at conferences enhances credibility in the field. Finally, sharpening soft skills, such as communication and teamwork, is vital as collaboration with cross-functional teams becomes a part of daily responsibilities. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.